Nokia is back, and it's not just a nostalgia trip this time, it's a whole new level of madness. Mobile phone fire. The all-new Nokia Turbo Pro 2025 just leaked, and folks, it's straight up bonkers. We're talking 200 MP camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 6,500 mAh battery, and a price tag that'll make you double take. Let's dive into this beast. Strap in, it's gonna be wild. Starting with the display, it's a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with a crisp 1.5K resolution. And yeah, it's got a 144 Hz refresh rate and 390 Hz touch sampling rate, so whether you're gaming or just doom scrolling through your feed, it's smoother than your best pickup line. Add in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 water and dust resistance. It's giving premium vibes. Now here's where it gets ridiculous. The main camera is a 200 MP DSLR-level monster. Pair that with a 50 MP ultra-wide and a 12 MP depth sensor, and you've basically got a professional camera rig in your pocket. Selfies? Covered. There's a 32 MP front camera, crystal clear, ready to bless your IG grid. Under the hood, it's a certified beast, rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Whether you're gaming, editing, multitasking, this phone doesn't break a sweat. And the cherry on top? It runs on Android 15 right out of the box. That's as fresh as it gets. Let's talk battery, because this thing's a 6,500 mAh tank. You're looking at all day, maybe even 2-day battery life. And when it does run low, just plug it in with 100W fast charging via USB Type-C and boom, back in the game in no time. Now here's the mic drop moment. The expected price of the Nokia Turbo Pro 2025 is just $799. Let that sink in. A 200 MP cam, flagship chipset, Android 15, and insane battery, all for under $800. As for the launch date, nothing official yet, but the leaks are loud, and they're saying end of this year. So yeah, the countdown has officially begun. So what do you think? Is Nokia about to shake up the game again? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hype level from 1 to 10, let's hear it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, and smash that bell so you don't miss the official launch when it drops. Till next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay geeked.